What up guys, this is BJP Action, and today I'm going to be showing you some collection of my airsoft guns, and I hope you enjoy this video. I have at least 10 guns in this collection. These are not all my guns, I'm just going to show you a few, okay? First one you see at the top is a AUG. It has 300 FPS with a scope, holds 45 rounds. It's a pretty good gun. This is a different model of the AUG with no scope, 300 FPS, holds 25 rounds. This is the M4, fully automatic, 300 FPS, holds 40 rounds. This one right here, compact 45, it only has 100 FPS and holds 10 rounds. M1911, 250 FPS, holds 10 rounds. AK-47, holds 45 rounds, 415 FPS. Dirty Harry Revolver, 300 FPS, holds 6 rounds. Mossberg Shotgun, 300 FPS, holds 15 rounds. HKP 30, fully automatic, holds 15 rounds. And thanks for watching, guys. This is some of my airsoft collection. This is not the whole thing, like I said. This is just a little bit of it. And yeah, these are my pretty good airsoft guns. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, or rate anything you need to do to my videos. Thanks for watching.